Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use the interactive radar in OneWeather. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the OneWeather app on your mobile device. Now tap on the radar tab at the bottom left corner. You can simply use pinch to zoom in or out and see more detailed weather coverage or a wider area. You can also tap the play button to watch the weather move in real time and see upcoming weather patterns. You can also adjust the time frame to view current, hourly, or future radar imagery. So this is how to use the interactive radar in OneWeather. Now you can easily track storms and weather patterns using the OneWeather interactive radar. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I hope you stay ahead of the weather.